Hey everyone, Mael here from biped AI. Today we're back with an amazing update. I have been waiting for a long time to be able to announce this. We're just back from Science City where we showcased this update, ran hundreds of demos. It was a very successful event and we are really excited to see NOA gradually become one of the best mobility solutions in the world. So in terms of updates, first we're bringing new colors to our hardware. I'm currently wearing the pink version. We are introducing a deep purple version and a beige version. All of these colors are now available on our website upon order, and they're bringing a nice improvement to the looks and feel of the device as the plastic even reaches higher quality when you touch it. We are also producing a batch of 70 units, allowing us to finally have some supply to be able to ship devices faster. As we reach semi-industrial stage, this is one of the big milestones for us, both for our distributors and for direct customers who want to get their hands on the device within just a few days between the order and shipment. A quick note on a change we are requesting from active users. If you go in your hotspot sharing settings on iPhone, we strongly advise you to disable the maximize compatibility toggle, as this is the source of specific cracking sounds or Bluetooth interference if you're experiencing cracking sounds in your scene descriptions. Some people have been running with maximize compatibility, others without. Toggling off the maximize compatibility definitely improves the output, and that problem is not an issue anymore once you disable it. Now, on to our big AI update. As many of you know, we introduced various features like object finding or scene description, but that still requires stopping, taking a picture, and then waiting for the feedback. In this update, we're already bringing new improvements in terms of reliability of the object finding, so better finding of staircases, of chairs, faster AI response. We're also introducing person finding to be able to find people who can help around based on frequent requests from our users. But the most important part is we're introducing live AI. Live AI is basically going to analyze a feed of images instead of having to analyze a single image. That allows you, without having to press a button every single time, to get a feeling for your surroundings and a description. Live AI can be enabled on the A2 buttons. So just on the side lateral panel of your device, you can double click on the A2 button, and that will toggle on live AI, and double click again, that will toggle it off. The idea behind live AI is not to have overwhelming descriptions. Live AI will analyze gradually the feed of images, and if something changes significantly in your surroundings, it will highlight it. The goal is not to have something as you're walking on a sidewalk that says that there's a bin on the right, and then there's a door, and then there's a bench, and then there's etc., etc. Because with obstacle detection and with GPS, that tends to be overwhelming based on our tests. Instead, it's going to highlight specific elements like sidewalk continuing ahead, upcoming intersection with a left turn, entrance to the park, slight right, this kind of elements. So I'll just leave you with a quick demo while I'm taking a walk outside.
Live AI mode activated. Road continues ahead. Fence on the right. Carport left. Road ahead. Road ahead. Sidewalk left. Head left. Road curves slight right. Intersection ahead. Opening left. Speed limit 30 ahead.
All right. right, now on to some GPS improvements. If you have internet that's connected over your hotspot, we are bringing our GPS v3 feature called Rich Navigation. The idea is to be able to have precise navigation instructions that announce the street names, that announce the number of remaining meters, and that announce really pronounce the full journey, not only continue ahead, turn right, turn left, etc., etc. You can also type GPS coordinates as an input. So if you have a very precise location you're heading to, that's going to be one of the features you want to use. Some of you were limited by the fact that we only allowed 5 favorite destinations mapped to the navigation N1 button. We've now increased that list to 10 favorite destinations, making it faster to save more favorite places. Our last update is on the obstacle detection side. It was with the introduction of the click sound that many of you adopted. It was harder to differentiate between head level and ground level obstacles with the pitch changes. So we've just increased the pitch shift to make it way faster and way easier to understand if an obstacle is head level or ground level. Finally, we are also matching this update on Android, so Android is being updated at the same time if you're an Android user. As usual, to remind you, with the update process, you just go in the app, the NOA companion app, you connect your NOA device, make sure you have internet access, go in My NOA, software update, you click start for the update. This update is dual, so it's first updating the cybersecurity update package, and then it's doing the actual update. So it will require to first run a first update and then restart the device, and then run a second update and restart the device. So take about 10 minutes to get everything through on home Wi-Fi. We really hope you'll enjoy this update as much as we had fun building it. It's one of these updates where we have released some elements of this update to a closed beta testing group to get as much exposure as possible. And at Site City, we tested it at large scale with a lot more people and gathered feedback on hundreds of test sessions. So we are really excited for you to be able to test it. Thank you very much. Look forward to hearing from you, and have a good one. See you.
But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?